Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we created some category pages, and if I view one of these, we used our theme builder to customize them so they look a little more interesting like that. Now what we're going to do today, now we've got these category pages sorted out, let's add them to our menu up here. What we're looking at the moment is the default WordPress sort of menu where it just throws everything you have in there. So let's get that done. First thing we need to do is go back to the desktop. There's the custom body that we built yesterday. And let's go down to Appearance, to Menus. And we've got no menus created as yet. So let's give our first menu a name. If you've got a menu, it'll prompt you to create a new one there. But we haven't, so we can just put in a name. I'm going to call it Cats for categories. I'm going to hit the Create Menu button. Okay. Now I want to start adding the categories. Now there's categories right there, but that is not the categories we want. That is actually for the posts categories. We want the WooCommerce categories. Now there is a WooCommerce endpoints down here where you can put one account details, log out, etc., lost password. We're looking actually for the categories that we created. Now if you don't see it in this list, go up to the top of your page here, hit the screen options drop down. This will drop down. Look along here. You've got project categories. You've got product categories. Product categories is the one we want. Simply check the box or any other boxes you might want to appear down here. And we can close that up again. And now you can see that we've got product categories down here. So let's go ahead and drop that down. What do we want to add? Well, laptops. I think I want to change that actual name to plural. We'll do that in a minute. I'm not going to do Dell or HP. They're the actual brands. We'll perhaps have another link with brands. So let's say laptop, desktop, all in one. And we'll have our sale up there as well. So we can go ahead and add those to the menu. Now you can drag and drop these by simply left clicking and putting them where you want. For me, that's fine at the moment. And we can add more categories and pages to this menu as we go along. I'm now going to add, because I do actually want to add these, but I want to put them underneath. I want to have a brand category parent with a drop down that says the different brands. So I'm going to use a custom link for this. Here's a custom links. Simply hit the little arrow. Now for the URL, you have to put something in there initially. So I'm just going to put a hashtag in there. And what I want it to say is brands. I'm going to add that to the menu. Now if I go back to my product categories, what I want to do is add the actual brands: Dell, HP, Alienware, Mac. I'm going to add those to the menu. Now I don't want all of these in one line. I want the brand, the actual Dell, HP, Alienware and Mac, to be a sub item of the brand, so a drop down. So let's just move this across here. I'm just left clicking and moving it slightly to the right until it becomes indented like that, and there will now be sub menu items. And as you can see, it says in there sub item, sub item, sub item. Okay, well let's save our menu. Now we've created it, we actually have to assign it to our primary menu bar. This is our primary menu bar that we set up in one of the first videos. So let's go ahead and do that. And to do that, we want to go down to our Divi, to our theme customizer. Once it's open, we want to go down to menus, funnily enough. There's the menu, cats, we just created. View all locations. Well, at the moment it's not assigned to anything. So here's our primary menu. Let's assign it to our primary menu, cats. And as you can see, it's assigned it up here. Laptops, desktop, all in one, sale, and brands has got a drop down. featuring Dell, HP, Alienware and Mac. Fantastic, just exactly what I wanted. Now I want to change laptop to laptops so we can get out of this. I want to make sure we publish it before we do. And if you want to change settings or your drop down settings or anything like that, go to header and navigation, and remember this is our primary menu bar, and you can set up your colors, background colors, drop downs, drop down menu, link colors, text colors, etc. right here. I'm happy with the way mine's looking at the moment, but if you want to do yours, that's where you can do it. Okay, like I said, I want to just change the laptop to laptops plural. So let's go back into my product categories, and there's the laptop. I'm going to just hit the quick edit and just put an S on the end. And I'm going to do the same for the slug underneath. Update the category. Very easy to do. Now let's go over here and let's actually refresh this page. We should have our new menu up there. There we go. Now it says laptops. Great. Now let's make sure these are going to work. At the moment I'm on the default shop page we created just to have something for the front page. We'll be continuing with our main front page build in future videos. There we go, and there's the theme builder template that we created for our pages there. Fantastic. Make sure these drop downs all work. There we go. So we've instantly got 4, 6, 7, 8 pages already in our menu. So it's shaping up here nicely. The only other thing, the brands, when I hover over it, it's actually got a link, but that link's not going to go anywhere because it's a hashtag. It's top of the page. Let's go back to our menu and just remove that link. Now we've actually added it. Right here. And now we've actually added it in here. We can remove the hashtag I put in. Like I said, when you put it out initially, you have to put something in the URL. So let's just delete that, and it'll be just a regular dead link. Save the menu. Go back to our page. Let's refresh the page. And now let's go to a sale page. And when we hover over the brands, there's no little hand icon telling you that you can click on it. When we hover over a live link, you've got your little hand icon like that. So there we have it. We've set up our first menu there using our categories. We'll be adding more like contact us and privacy policy and what have you as we go along. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.